So for set E, we're going to solve for the rate. So from the formula package, rate is I over PT. So if we look at this question, we have $2,146 and it's for the month of June. And then in September, they were credited $9.70 of interest. So we have our interest of 9.7. We have our principal. And now we have to worry about how much time has gone by in years. So we're looking at just the month of June. So basically we're looking at June 1st until the 30th. So if we go to our chart, and that's one way to go about it. So if we go to our chart and we look at the actual numbers, you might get thrown off, but let's just look at this. So day one, so June 1st, 152, and then June 30th is 181. Okay, so 181 and 152, those are our two numbers. So if I do 181 minus 152, we get 29 days. But this is where this might throw you off. So just be careful, because if you look at this, it makes more sense, because if you're looking from the 1st to the 30th, well, the month of June doesn't have 29 days. It has 30 days. So we're really looking at 30 days of interest being applied. And so that goes back to counting principles. Basically think of June 1st. And if we go to June 2nd, well, how many days have gone by? Well, if you're looking at June 1st and June 2nd, 2 days have gone by, but 2 minus 1 would be 1 day. So be careful with this question, because really we're looking at 30 days because that's the month of June. So, and then remember, we're changing it to years. So we're going to do divided by 365. So that's 0.08219. So that's the amount of years that we're talking about. So I'm just going to multiply that with the bottom number, 2146. I'm going to rewrite the top. And then I'm going to divide those two numbers with each other. And so I get 0.05499. Now remember, we want it as a percentage. So I'm going to multiply by 100, which gives me 5.499%, which is essentially 5.5%. So be careful with the counting principles. That does throw a lot of people off. And that's what I'm referring to when I talk about this.